Hello YouTubers. Today I'm going to try to put a third card into my PC case. There's really only room for two. There's just no room at the bottom. And I have another case and it has the same issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the card and try to put it here using these mounts, and then rest it across on the water cooling unit with some type of insulation, maybe a piece of foam tape, something like that. So that'll hold me for the time being. I think I'm going to have to go to an open air rig because the heat difference is amazing. I've got roughly 50 degrees on the card that's laying on the table. The top card is 74 degrees Celsius, and the bottom card is about 62 Celsius. So it may not be too hot, but it's not good. I'd like them all to be even. So that's a project for the future though, but in the meantime, how to get this third card in here, because I want it to make me money. And I wanted to tie me over right now. Ethereum, which is what I'm mining on Ethos, is not making a lot of money. It really dropped recently. So once it comes back up and I get a good chunk of cash in there and the market calms down a little bit, we'll go from there. So let me get that guy in there and we'll see how it looks. I'm going to use not zip screws to put it in. I'm going to use these self-tapping screws. I'll show them to you. But what they basically do is they come to a very sharp point and they push the metal out of the way and thread themselves in. That way you don't get metal debris in there, which is bad. Alright, hang on.